So today we will see what are the uses of ILD, inclination line diagrams. Uses of ILD, okay. Suppose you have a simply supported beam like this of span 4 meters. Okay. Okay. And you have a load conditions like this. Kilonewton per meter UDL, and this is 18 kilonewtons. One meter, 2 meters. Suppose find reaction RA. Find reaction RA. Okay. So by using ILD, you can find reactions also. You know how to draw ILD for RA by using Muller-Breslau or fundamentals. Okay, from fundamentals. So this is ILD for RA with coordinates 1 here. Okay. So under the load, under the point load, what is the ordinate? You just work out. See, from similar triangles, total span is 4. From B, the point load is at 3 meters. Obviously, this height will be 0.75. And under UDL, you see here at 2 meters, the height will be 0.5. So logic here is point load multiplied by ordinate under the point load, and UDL intensity multiplied by area under the UDL. That means this area. So RA equal to here simply point load 18 multiplied by point load positions ordinate, that is 0.75. Okay. Plus if UDL is there, means intensity multiplied by area under the UDL, area of ILD under the UDL, that is half into, see this width is 2 meters, half into 2 into 0.5, which is equal to 18 into 0.75, 9 plus 4.5, 13.5 plus 2 gets cancelled, 10 into 0.5, 5. That is equal to 18.5 kilonewtons is the RA. So you can work out these reactions like this also from ILD also. Similarly, suppose if you want to find RB, find reaction RB. Okay. For this, draw ILD for RB first. Okay, one here. This is ILD for RB. So under the point load, ordinate is here. See, from A it is 1 meter, total span is 4 meters, so 1/4. That means ordinate is here 0.25. Under the UDL, the area would be like this. I mean, at 2 meters, it is 0.5. Here it is 0.5. So it is a trapezium, okay? It is a trapezium. The area under UDL always you should take area. Okay. Now RB equal to 18 into under 18 ordinate of ILD is 0.25 plus intensity of UDL is 10 multiplied by area under UDL. Area under UDL is, see, trapezium area average of ordinates, that is 0.5 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by width 2. Okay. So which is equal to 18 into 0.25 is 4.5 plus 10 into 2 to gets cancelled 1.5, that equal to 15, 14, 4.5, that is 19.5. So RA plus RB you can check it, okay? 18.5 and 19.5, 38. There you can see 10 into 2, 20 and 18, 38, okay? So like this, ILD can be used for finding reactions also, okay? Like this also you can find reactions. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. జస్ట్ మనం యూడిఎల్ కింద ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ ఏరియా ఇంటూ యూడిఎల్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ పాయింట్ లోడ్ దాని కింద ఉన్నటువంటి ఆర్డినేట్ మల్టిప్లై చేసి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో మనం షియర్ ఫోర్సెస్ కానీ బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్స్ కానీ రియాక్షన్స్ కానీ ఏదైనా కనుక్కోవచ్చు అనమాట ఐఎల్డితో ఫర్ గివెన్ లోడింగ్. ఇది ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్ అనమాట, ఇది ఒక యూజ్ అనమాట, ఐఎల్డి యొక్క యూజ్. యూవీఎల్ కి పనికిరాదు ఇది, ఓన్లీ యూడిఎల్స్ పాయింట్ లోడ్స్, ఓన్లీ యూడిఎల్స్ అండ్ పాయింట్ లోడ్స్. యూఎల్స్ చేయాలంటే మనం మన ఇంటెగ్రేషన్స్ అవన్నీ యూజ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో మన ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చాలా వరకు మనం ఐఎల్డిస్ ఐ మీన్ యూడిఎల్ అంటే పాయింట్ లోడ్స్ మాత్రం ఉపయోగిస్తాం అనమాట. బేసికల్ గా బ్రిడ్జెస్ డిజైన్ లో ఉపయోగపడతాయి ఇవి. సో బ్రిడ్జెస్ డిజైన్ లో మనకు యూఎల్స్ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి, ఉంటే యూడిఎల్స్ ఉంటాయి లేకపోతే పాయింట్ లోడ్స్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఐ మీన్ ఇది మనం థియరిటికల్ గా కంటే కూడా ప్రాక్టికల్ గా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని డెవలప్ చేశారనమాట ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ని ఐఎల్డి. సో మనం థియరిటికల్ గా చేయాలంటే ఐ మీన్ ఇంటగ్రేషన్ చేసుకుని చేసుకోవచ్చు యూఎల్ కూడా, బట్ నాట్ నెసెసరీ అనమాట. Okay, we'll see one more thing. So here, to find bending moment, just we have to draw ILD like this. So ILD ordinate, you know, AB by L, 1.5 into 2.5 by 4, that is 0.9375. So next we need to find ordinates under this point load as well as UDL location. Means UDL location is 2 meters, UDL span is 2 meters. So at 2 meters from B, ordinate is 0.75, at B it is 0. So to get bending moment here, just multiply point load to its ordinate and UDL intensity multiplied with its area. UDL's area is under this UDL, whatever area is there, that area belongs to that UDL. That's why intensity into that area gives you bending moment. Four meters, 3 meters, it is hinge. ABC. Find reaction RB. Find reaction RB. Okay, I will give loading also. Okay. 30 kilonewtons. Find reaction RB. So first we will draw ILD for RB. You know the technique how to draw? Okay, this is the ILD for RB. ILD for RB. So here at 2 meters, it will be 1/3. I mean 2 meters from B or 1 meter from C. 1/3, okay? So the ordinate, the area under this is this one. So RB equal to 30 into 0. So under 30, nothing is there. That means because of 30, you won't get any reaction at B. That is the meaning of that, okay? Plus intensity 10 multiplied by area under ILD is, see, this one is 2 meters width. So ordinates average 1/3 plus 1 by T by 2 into width is 2 meters. So which is equal to 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1/3, 4/3, 10 into 4/3, that equal to 40/3 kilonewtons is the RB reaction, okay? So like this. Similarly, find vertical reaction at A. Okay. Vertical reaction at A. For that, we need to draw ILD, which is like this. Point 0, here also 1.0, okay? So at 2 meters means here also 1.0. This is 1 meter, this is 2 meters. Here height is 2/3. Okay. So now the area, shade the area. Okay, that area and this ordinate. Okay, so finally we get RA equal to 30 into 1 plus that intensity of UDL is 10 multiplied by area half into width is 2 and height is 2 by 3. That equal to 30 plus how much it is? 2 to gets cancelled, 20 by 3. That equal to 90, 110 by 3. You can check it RA plus RB how much? 40 by 3 plus 110 by 3, 150 by 3, that is 50. Total load is 30 plus 10 into 250. It's okay. Okay. So like this, just by drawing this ILD and multiplying those point loads to its ordinates and UDL intensities with its areas, you can get this RB. Similarly, suppose for the same problem, let us find shear force at some location. Okay. Find shear force at okay, 1.5 meter from B. So the ILD will be like this. Shearing force. Left side down, right side up after cutting that there, okay? At 1.5 meter. This is 3 meter. So 1.5 meter means exact at center. So it takes this shape. Because hinge is there here. So this is the ILD. Here ordinate is of course 0.5 negative, positive here, 0.5 total must be 1. So now, so here at 1 meter from hinge, this ordinate is 0.5 into 1 by 1.5. Okay, of course that is negative. So now shear force equal to 30 into 0 plus this positive area. This positive area and this negative area. Okay, like this. Positive area half into 1.5 into 0.5 minus negative area ordinates average. This is 0.5 by 1.5 means 1 by 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 and 0.5 is average. 0.5 means 1 by 2. By 2 average ordinate multiplied by width. Width is actually this is 0.5 meter width, right? Width is 0.5. Check it how much? 0 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.5, 0.375 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 0.5 by 2, 5 by 24. equal to
Sir, load multiply.
load multiply చేయలేదా? Multiplied by 10, which is equal to 0.375. Sorry. So total it should be multiplied by 10. Okay. 0.375 minus 5 by 24 equal to into 10. That is 5 by 6. 5 by 3. Okay.
1.66.
1.67. Okay, negative, huh? Positive only, right? Okay.
Positive.
That location. Okay. So like this, for any structure, you can find shear force, bending moment, whatever you want, just by multiplying its point load with its ordinates or UDL multiplied with its area. So I will show you one more. Okay, find bending moment at 2 meters from A. Okay. So bending moment at 2 meters from A. So how to draw the bending moment? LD. Make it hinge there and try to rotate left side anti-clockwise. It won't get rotated. So right side clockwise. So obviously it takes this shape. Like this. Ordinates. Here 1 unit rotation, right? I mean 1 radian rotation. So it is 2 meters. That's why 2 is the ordinate here. Here ordinate because this is 3 meters. At 2 meters means this ordinate is 2 into 2 by 3. That equal to 4 by 3. Of course, negative. Okay. So now the area is this one. Okay. So bending moment equal to 30 into 0 plus minus, because negative area, 10 into intensity into area of that, half into 2 into 4 by 3. That equal to 40 by 3, minus 40 by 3 kilonewton meter. Okay, bending moment at that location. So minus 40 by 3. You can check it from reactions also. That one. See here, RA how much? 110 by 3. MA we have not determined actually. So if you know that MA also, we can find it out. Okay. Anyway, this is the way of finding bending moment by using ILD. Okay. 100 kilonewtons, 2 meter, and this is 3 meter. 20 kilonewton per meter. Okay. ABC. Find reaction RA. Okay. So just draw ILD for RA. Under the point load. See here one. See for 4 meters, 1 means so for 3 meters, 3 by 4, right? For 4 meters, 1. For 3 meters, it would be 3 by 4. Of course, it is negative. Negative. This is positive 1. That is negative 3 by 4. Okay. Now, here at center, it would be, because it's 4 meters, for 2 meters, it is 0.5. Ordinate. Now, this one, area under that will be like this. So, RA equal to now 100 into 0.5, this negative area minus 20 intensity multiplied by half into 3 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 50 and 50 minus 20 by 10 multiplied by 3 into 3 by 4. 27.5 kilonewtons. That is the RA. Similarly, find RB. Find reaction RB. Draw ILD for RB. See here at B it is 1. That means at 4 meters 1 means at 7 meters from this point, it is obviously 7 by 4. Totally positive. Okay. Now at 2 meters, .5. Okay. Now RB equal to 100 into 0.5 plus intensity 20 multiplied by area under UDL, that is 1 plus 7 by 4 by 2 multiplied by width is 3 meters. This is 3 meters, this area. It's equal to 50 plus 10 into 1 plus 7 by 4 into 3. 82.5 equal to 132.5. So you can check it, you can cross check it. So total load is 100 plus 60, 160. Say 27.5 and 132.5, 60 only. Okay. Similarly, Find shear force at shear force at 3 meters from A. Okay. So we'll cut the section and left side down, right side up. This is 3 meter point. I mean, from right side, from left side, 3 meter. Okay. I will draw that. Point 0.75 here. It will be like this. See here, negative. So ordinate is, see here, this is 3 meters. 0.75 negative. This is only 1 meter. So here positive, but 0.25. Okay. For 1 meter, 0.25 means these two horizontal triangles, 3 meters. See, for 1 meter it is 0.25, 3 meters it is 0.75. Okay, so this is negative. So now shear force, okay, equal to ordinate here at 2 meters, ordinate 0.5 at 2 meters. So 100 into 0.5 plus or minus negative area, this one under the UDL. Intensity 20 multiplied by half into base 3 height 0.75, which is equal to 50 minus 50 into 0.75, 27.5. Something wrong.
100 into 0.5 or minus 100 into 0.5 or minus 1.
Yeah, that also minus, sorry. That also minus.
72.5, sir.
Minus 72.5. Yeah, suppose if you see 27.5 up, 100 down means there is minus 72.5 only, okay? So like this, to work out any quantities, okay? Shear force, bending moment, reactions, all these quantities can be determined by using ILD. ILD principle, okay? So before going into detail, we'll become thorough, okay, on this. So I'll give some assignment. You do it, and evening we'll see remaining problems. Note on the assignment. Find RA and RB. Find shear force at 1 meter from A. Find shear force at 1 meter from B. See, all these things you should work out from ILD also. Wow, ILD only. Okay. From ILD principle only, you should work out everything. Okay. Find bending moment at center. Find RA and RB. Find shear force at 1 meter from A, right side. Okay. Find bending moment at 1 meter from A, right. Okay. Next. Find reaction RA. Find shear force at 5 meters from A. Find bending moment at 2 meters from A. Okay. Find RA, RB, and RC. Find shear force at 1.5 meter from A. Find shear force at 3 meters from A. Find shear force at 0.5 meter from C. Find bending moment at 3 meters from A. Okay. Not just Mother?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find RA and RB. Find MA. Find shear force at 3 meters from A. Find shear force at 1 meter from C. Find bending moment at 3 meters from A.